judge's controversial ruling gets appealed, aiming to stop felons from being able to have guns.
The Attorney General, who supports the Second Amendment, claiming the ruling defies common sense. Thank you for joining us for Wave News at 6. I'm John Boll.
And I'm Myra Ansari. The notice of the appeal came down just this afternoon.
Wave News troubleshooter Natalia Martinez continues her reporting from her first story last week.
You don't typically see Republicans and Democrats agreeing on gun issues, but that's the case here. The Attorney General, a Second Amendment advocate, said no, felons no longer should have the right to bear arms. AG Russell Coleman filed the appeal today. He and Commonwealth Attorney Jarena Weathers teamed up for this. Weathers was appointed by Democratic Governor Andy Beshear. They said gun violence is rampant in Louisville and this ruling could be detrimental. Last week, we told you about Judge Melissa Logan Bellow's ruling that it was unconstitutional to take guns away from felons. Her ruling was in response to a motion filed by Louisville attorney Rob Eggert. His client, Jacory Frazier, who is a felon, was charged with possession of a firearm as a convicted felon. Eggert asked the judge to dismiss the charge because it violates the Second Amendment, and she agreed. In her opinion, she wrote that the Second Amendment should extend to felons too. She later backtracked a bit, stating that she is now seeking advice from the Court of Appeals on her ruling. I spoke with the attorney who wrote the motion to dismiss, and she told me nowhere in the Second Amendment does it specifically exclude felons. They have filed several similar motions in other cases in Jefferson County. This was the first judge to rule in their favor. Natalia Martinez, Wave News.
Wow, interesting. Thank you.